Hi, Open House. Welcome to our house. I'm Maria Taylor, and I'm going to show you around the Football Night in America studio. Let's start with the big desk, where the big boys and girls sit. In case you were wondering, you basically have to have a Hall of Fame repertoire to be up here. Future Hall of Famer Drew Brees sits right here. The current Hall of Famer, Tony Dungy, sits right in the middle. And then either myself or Mike Tirico hangs out on this side. And if you notice, I do have slippers on, but it's also where you can hide your heels if you need to. That's what the big desk is all about, right, Coach? Am I right? And over here, it's our side desk. We call it Table 9. This is where you can find Chris Sims a lot of the time. If you've seen The Wedding Singer, you know who stays at Table 9.
Table 9.
Yeah.
She's sometimes here with me, actually.
Actually. And this is where we hang out. We can use the clicker. You can draw on here.
Yep.
You
Maria's
can make
a
hearts.
jerk.
Yeah.
Yep,
Chris is weird. That's what we do at Table 9. And then if you keep coming over, we have a huge touchscreen board over here. So if you ever watch Football Night in America during the playoffs, Steve Kornacki is here, and he's breaking down every single possible scenario you could imagine in the NFL. And it's the only way you will ever understand the postseason. So make sure when you tune in, you check in with Steve Kornacki. This is the board that he stands at. Now, the last thing I want to show you is the screen where we get to watch all of our games. If we're not on air, we're trying to catch up on all the games. You can have 4 games in at the same time, find out whether or not someone's going to win by a game-winning field goal or touchdown. We turn those into highlights, and normally we're reading them on live TV to you on Football Night in America. So that's a look at what we're doing in our home here in the studio. We really hope that you enjoy the game.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?